Let's go with this BSW. We can try this out. Let's just go ahead and try it out and try out the simulation and see whether we can actually pick this, right? It's 13 cents, not bad at all. So I'm just going to put in, let's put in $20, okay? And then we will see whether we can pick that out. Let's copy it. All right, and then we'll try to sell. So we'll put it at let's see, where did it go to in the past 24 hours? No, it's not. You have to choose something. Let's choose 339. Let's see what that's going to give us. Let's see what it's going to give us, really. Okay, why is it not? It's like as if I didn't copy it. I thought I did. Oh, it's like as if I did. So let's check what this is going to give us. 20. Let's go ahead and do that and then cut. Okay, so I'll now go back and then sell. Let's put this at 13.7. Paste this and see. Okay, 29 cents. No, that's not what we're looking for, so it should go higher. 13.8. Okay, that's just about 2%. That's not bad at all. So let's see whether we can go with this. Okay, let's see whether we can do this. It's going up, it's looking good, it's something that I wouldn't mind doing. Let's go ahead and do this. All right, so we're gonna pick that and then we're gonna put in $20. Okay, it's gonna give us okay, I'll be back shortly. Okay, I think we bought it. Oh, are we in the queue? We're actually in the queue. Oh, let's cancel that. I don't like being in the queue. Let's cancel that. Let's cancel that. Okay, what should we do? I think we need to buy it at a higher price. Let's buy it at a higher price. Oh, see. Ooh, can you see? Can you see? We need to quickly buy this before it goes up. What am I doing? No. I think I need to buy this quickly before it goes. Let's try and see. I think we bought it. We bought it. We actually bought it. Okay, so we bought that. Let's go and sell. Let's go and sell. Let's go and sell. Let's go and sell. Let's see, where did it go to in the past? Okay, so we'll just go ahead and just make this I hope we didn't buy this as let me go and check. I hope I didn't buy this as 1352. Let's check. I hope I didn't buy it as that. How much did I buy it as? Oh, that's the reason why I bought it as. Oh my god. Let's go back. Let's go back into this. It went lower, but no props. We'll just put it in. We'll put it in and put. I think it was 13.8. 13.8, I guess. Let's go back to our sell. Pick up 100%. Okay, that's not bad at all. But it's gonna take some percentage. So I think I want to add more. Let's make this one 8.1. Okay, so it's just something that even if it takes something from me, let's see. Let's make this 8.2. All right, and then we need to sell it. All right, so let's put that in here. Let's pick up the 100%. 44, no problems. I think I'm good with this. Let's go ahead and sell. Okay, so that's currently in the queue right now. Okay, so we're hoping that this goes up. At least we can see that it was opening up. You can see that, like I said, I don't really like using Bollinger Bands, but it's just the alternative I have right now. And I can see that it was opening its hands and it's not yet closing up, even though the purple one seems like closing up, but it's still opening up. Let's wait and see how this goes. Okay, I want to see what's going on with BSW. Do we get, oh, it's, where are we right now? Wait a second, where were we supposed to be? It's at 1333. Let me go and check. What did we buy it as? Right, we bought BSW at 1351. Okay, we bought it at 1351. So because of that, we're still not in profit yet, right? It's currently at 1333. Okay, so we're waiting for it to get to its point. Now we have BSW. So let's check on BSW. Let me just, as you can see, let's check on the charts first and see what's going on in the charts. Oh my god, see, It's going down. Now it's trying to figure its way out to go up, right? So it worked out for us eventually, but it still went down after a while, and now it's going back up. So we're good with that we're out of the trade. So let's go check inside of the order history and see what exactly we got. So BSW, I think we bought that into amounts, right? We bought that in two amounts. Did we cancel that? Oh, we canceled it. We canceled one. No, we bought it only in one amount. So how much did we spend? We spent $19.98. You can see that here. We had a little fee also of that's like about almost like 2 cents, which is like about 0.1%. Not bad. It still took our 2 cents. That's not bad, right? So we're good with that. Let's go and check how much we sold it as. Okay, we sold it and made 44 cents. Don't forget that it was 19.98, so that's 46 cents. So 46 cents, of course, you got to take out the 2 cents, and then we're left with 44 cents. That's not bad. That's like about 2.1% or 2.2%, right? If you're not sure, let's go check it out. So that's like about 2.2% if we're looking at that very well. Let's go ahead. If we had, I think we had 20.44 minus, okay, I think it was 19.98, yeah, 46 cents. That should be 2.3, but don't forget we need to subtract. Let's take off like about 4 cents, okay, minus 0.04. Let's take off 4 cents. 42, that's like 2.1%. Okay, so if that's if we say 19.98, I hope all these calculations are not too much. Okay, these are the things you got to do, right? Calculations are part of our work. It's very important. Okay, times 2.1. Okay, 2.15. Okay, 2.13 or 2.11. Yeah, something this range. 2.11% is what we got on this transaction, which is not bad at all. 2% is always our target. We can always get higher or less than that, but at least we're good with what we have. That's a good one with BSW. We made 2.11%, and we're good to go. Yeah.